Now let's go and learn about how to set up your Etsy AI Pro. So welcome to the system. I'm going to show you guys how to set this up system so you can use it to get more customers. Let's start. So first of all, when you're here, don't just go here and start using it. It's going to give you an error. So what you need to do first is go to Google, type up open AI, okay? And then what I want you to do is type up API. So OpenAI API, click on the first link, click on sign up. Trust me, you're not paying any money. Click on continue with Google or continue with this, continue with Apple, whatever you have, okay? Once you have that, you log in. I'm gonna go and log in with my account. Log in, and you'll click on API. You'll go ahead and click on your name on the right, click on view API keys. Now, keep in mind, I repeat it one more time, you do not have to pay any money here, okay? You do not have to put your card information here, okay? So OpenAI is an API company that will give you about $20, $30 credits, and that's enough. That's more than enough for, like, I don't know, 50 Etsy store. So don't pay money, okay? So once you're here, click on create new Etsy key. Give it a name, whatever you want. Copy it, then go here, and then click on account settings, and then let's go ahead and copy and paste it right here. Boom, okay? That's pretty much it. And then what I want you to do is click on here. How do you use it? So I want to show you how to use it. So all you do is click on product description, copy and paste your description here, whatever it is, and click on generate. It'll give you a new one. Keyword research, type up as much information as you can, click on generate, use those keywords on your Etsy store, okay? Last but not least, it is the about us page. Type up your company name, click on generate, it'll give you the page, put it on your Etsy store, and guess what? You're done. That's it, okay? Trust me, once you have it done, just wait 48, 72 hours, you will see a boost on more views on your listing. It's gonna happen. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please reach out to the person who you bought this product from. Thank you.